Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to provide linking in your web page. So for providing linking, we will be using anchor tag that is a tag. Okay, so whenever you specify the content wrapping up with the a tag, then you can provide the linking. So anchor element is an inline element. Okay, so we have already seen what is black level. So we have already seen what is black level element, right? So if the web page takes if a content takes the whole viewport, then it is black level element. If a content takes a particular space, what is needed, then it is inline element. So you can see in this example, the food and fitness is the heading that is taking the whole viewport. So it is a black level element. And here you can see the navigation links takes the space what is needed. So that is inline element. Okay. So a tag is the inline element. Let's look at the source, the coding for this page. You can see the header is the food and fitness is the header, and you can see, remember, the navigation is a structural element that we have used to provide the link, okay, for this. And then the main content is wrapped up with this main tag, and the footer is wrapped up with this footer tag. Okay, so those are the structural element that we have discussed in the previous section. Now in this section we are just going to look at this anchor tag. Okay, so how this linking, how we are going to, when we click this page, how it is directing to the next page. Okay, so that we are going to see. You can see all these 4 navigation elements are wrapped up with the nav tag, and you can see each content is wrapped up with the a tag. So this is called anchoring tag. Okay, so that will provide the linking. So for example, so you can see the home is linked to index.html. The fitness, this page is linked to separate page. So you can see each page is linked to a HTML file, that is a web page file. Okay, so you have to provide this file name in href attribute. Remember what is attribute? Attribute is something that we will use to customize our tag. Okay, so we are going to customize this anchor tag by providing this href attribute. So the href attribute is the mandatory attribute in href, in a tag anchoring, in linking. So where you will actually specify the link for the page. Okay, so for example, if you click this home, it will open this home page. When you click this fitness, then it will open this fitness page, right? So this is because I have linked this home with the index.html page, and I have linked this fitness with the fitness.html page. So you can see this home, this link is referred with this href index.html, that is this file, and this fitness is linked with this fitness.html, that is this file. Okay, so that's how you, when you click this page, it will open up this web page. So this food and registration doesn't have any files. Okay, so for example, when you click this food, then it will say your file is not found. That is because it doesn't have, I don't have any files for the food and registration. I have only the fitness and home file, index.html file. Okay, so when you provide this link as a href element, then you'll be able to link that file. Okay, so this is how the linking works. So a tag with the href attribute, where you will provide the actual file name and the name that has to be displayed. So when you click this contact as, then it will open up this contact that HTML phase. Okay, so you can use this for any kind of content. It is what I specified is a internal linking, that is within the same page that you have provided the linking, but you can use it for any external linking or photo or PDF, any kind of linking. Whenever you want to give a link, then you have to use this a tag. So let's open W3 School web page. Again, use this. So what I explained in the demo is an internal linking, that we have specified the web page that is within the same page. But you can even specify the external linking, that you can just give the URL of a web page, then it will open up the particular page. So you can see visit W3 School, it will open up this page for you. Let's say something google.com. So when you click on this visit google.com link, this will provide you, so it provides you the link. Okay, so when you click on to this, some web pages will refuse to connect due to security reason, but I will provide my web page, neenacruz.com. So you can see, actually I didn't, that time I didn't make it mobile friendly, so that's how it looks like this, but you can see how it provides the linking. So you can provide the external linking and internal linking. Okay, so when you provide the external linking, you will provide the URL of a page, and when you provide internal linking, you will give the relative port to the current page, that is the folder name and file name will be given here. Okay, so and then it also has its own attribute, like if you want to open a page in a new page, so you might have seen some links, when you click it, it will open up a new page for you. So there are different attributes that you can use for that. For example, if you use the target attribute with the blank, then it will open up open the page in the new tab. Okay, so there are different attributes that you can verify in the W3 School website. Okay, so those are about links, and very specifically you can look at this special kind of hyperlinks. For example, when you click on to this particular web links, then it will open up the email service provider automatically, or in your mobile when they provide a phone number, it will let you to call that number automatically, right? How those things are possible? So that is because of this attribute. With the href attribute, instead of HTTPS, if you provide an mail to and then email address, then it will directly link to that email service provider. For example, let me say mail to mv1068 at keen.edu. So I have provided my email address with this mail to value. So when you click on to this, you can see it will open up automatically, it will open up the web page. Okay, so it will automatically open up this email service provider. Okay, similarly, if you want to provide a calling, then you can use, instead of HTTPS, you can provide tel:. Okay, so let's try this. So when you provide this tel: instead of HTTPS, then it will let you to call to that number. If you are in mobile, then it will let you to call to that number, but right now I'm in PC, so it will not give you any links, since you can even make a simulator to make it possible. Okay, so different kind of linking is possible by using href tag. You can just refer W3 School website for different kind of linking. Okay, so the basic thing that you have to know is how you can use the href attribute to provide direct linking to the email service provider, and also how to make a call in a mobile web. Okay, so those kind of stuff that you can refer as a special hyperlinks. So the last thing that we are going to see is how to validate your code. Okay, so there are different validator service providers are there. For example, this http validator.w3.org. So that is from W3 School website. So where you can upload your file, validate a file to upload. For example, I'm going to upload your lab practice for this week. I'm opening up this file and I can see check. So document checking completed, no errors or warning to show. If there is any syntax error, then it will let you know what is the syntax error. Okay, so this will be helpful for you to check your syntax in your assignments. Okay, so you can use this for your assignment or project for validating your HTML code. Okay, good. So see you in the next unit.